In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook link on TikTok bio. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on your profile icon. Now on your profile, you have to tap on the three dots which are present right besides edit profile. Now from here, scroll down and tap on copy profile link. Once you do that, you will be able to easily copy your profile link of your Facebook application. Then you have to come over to your TikTok application and tap on profile, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile, you have to tap on edit profile. In edit profile, you have to tap on links. So now over here, as you can see, there is no option by which you can add your Facebook link on your TikTok bio. So to fix this, you have to come back and tap on category. In category, you have to select the category which best describes your TikTok account. So for example, I will select education and training, then tap on save. Once you do that, now you have to tap on links and you will see the website option over here. So you have to tap on website and simply paste the link that you copied from Facebook. Then tap on save. Once you do that, you will be able to add a clickable link of your Facebook account on your TikTok application's bio. So now on my profile, if I was to click on my link, I will be able to easily go to my Facebook account. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.